Everyone. I hope you and your family are keeping well. My name is Gaurav Jakaria and welcome back to my YouTube channel. From today, we'll start learning something. The topic that I have chosen is Microsoft Excel or simply Excel. Probably every one of you may have heard about Microsoft Excel. If not, I'll tell you. Excel is a product of Microsoft used for structuring, organizing, and analysis of data. The data, which we understand is a huge amount of data being generated on a daily basis from IT industries and many other industries also. So let's explore this platform together and understand the power of using Microsoft Excel. Welcome to the pilot video in Microsoft Excel tutorial series. In this video tutorial, we'll understand the structure of Microsoft Excel, look and feel of it. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. To begin with, we'll open Microsoft Excel. What we'll do is we'll simply press the keyboard keys, Windows and R button, type excel.exe, click on enter, and here we are. Let the magic begin. We'll open the blank workbook for our exercise for today. And here we are. The point of interest is the small cells that we have here. For now, we do not have to worry about how many cells are present, but the small boxes are called cells. The vertical lines are called columns. Horizontal lines are called rows. The topmost bar is called toolbar or quick access toolbar. The icon is called save. And here we are at the extreme right, we see minimize button. If we click on this, it will minimize the worksheet. We can again click on this icon to maximize it. And this button is close button. When we click on it, it will close this Excel. For now, let's keep it as it is. The area that we select here is it is called as ribbon or expanded menu bar, which includes home, insert, formulae, data, and view. These are the point of interest which we will have in the later tutorials to consider. For now, let's start. The area here represents the position of cursor. Currently, the column A and the cell row with the value 1 is here is the position of an Excel. Simply for our purpose, if we place it randomly in any of the cell, it will give the value of that particular position. As we see here, M is the column and row is 16. So that is the value that it represents here, the position of cursor. Next is the function. Here we can type any formula or function that can give us some output. For an example, when we want to add two values or two numbers, what we'll do is we'll type the formula in the specific format, Excel format. Let's say we want to add two values for 10 plus 15. This is it. It gives the solution. So that's it. Next, it includes, let's say how many, if you want to understand how many rows are there, what we will do is from your keyboard, press Control and down key. It will navigate to the extreme last row, which is the value 1048576. What we'll do is we'll enter it somewhere. Rows 1048576. This was very easy. Why? Because we knew, because it's mentioned there for each row, the number is mentioned. But for columns, how many columns are present? We do not know. But we have a solution for it. How we'll do is, what we will do is here on the first cell, we'll press 1. We will copy this. The copy value is here. Or the simply shortcut is Control plus C. Control and C key. Next is press Control Shift and right arrow key and click on the space button. Yeah. And the selection, what we see is 16384, the sum. So this many are the columns. We'll again note it down, the value of columns. Yeah. Now, yes, the total cells present in an Excel sheet is multiplication factor or multiply. Yes, such a huge number it can take. So that was related to the cells. Next is the sheet 1. This is the name that we can give it to the particular sheet. If we want, then we can type it as pilot 1. Here we have the zoom in and zoom out button to increase or decrease the size of cells. Yes. So I guess most of you may have been acquainted with the structure of an Excel. So that is all for this first tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll keep on running and try to understand more of how to use the Excel in the best possible way and what functions does it include. And important to note is eat sufficiently well on time, stay hydrated, stay safe and healthy, take care, and hope to see you in the next coming tutorials. See you until then.